Hi guys! In today's video, I am showing you how you can use hashtag in Instagram. The process is very simple and very easy. First, open your Instagram app. After it opens, I'm tapping on this plus sign for uploading a new thing. And from here, select what you want to upload. Like, if you want to upload a video, then select a video. But if you want to upload a picture, then select your picture. For any example, I will select a picture. I want to post this picture on my Instagram. After selecting, tap on this next icon, which is at the top, right? Again, tap on this next icon. And here, if you want to write caption about your post, then write a caption. And also you can add hashtag here, and how can you do that? Simply tap on this and take a look at your mobile keyboard. You will see icon 1, 2, and 3, which is at bottom left. Tap on this, and you will see the icon hash. Simply tap on this and now write your tag like my post is about anime. So I will write anime. And here is the hashtag anime. Tap on this. You can add as much as you want, but for now I will add a 2 hashtag. After writing hash, tap on anime. So I add only 2 hashtag in my post. After adding these, tap on the option, OK, which is the right top, and tap on the option share. Now my post is about upload on Instagram. My post is now uploaded, and you can see the hashtag bottom of your post. Here are the hashtag anime and hashtag anime lover. When someone will tap on this, you can see the hashtag is open now. So by using this method, you can use hashtag on Instagram.